Hey, what's up YouTube? Emmanuel from Kuya Adventures. I'm going to do my first review today. Now I was thinking, what should I review? What should I review for the first time? And after some couple of minutes thinking, I thought it had to be the Wenger Swiss Army knives. The most handy tools I've got. This one in particular is the Evo Grip Swiss Army knife made by Wenger. It's got a 54mm blade, which surprisingly is sufficient for most jobs around camp. It also has a nice saw. Now I can't say enough about these saws that Wenger and Victorinox make. These saws are brilliant. Very sharp, high quality, perfect for little jobs around camp like processing firewood, stuff like that, making shelters. Excellent bit of kit, this one. The Evo Grip also has a pair of scissors which have self-sharpening blades, and if you can see, it has a much better spring system than the Victorinox one. That's pretty much why I go for Wenger, because the tools, they suit me, particularly with the can opener. With the Wenger Swiss Army knives, the can opener is a cutting back motion, where with the Victorinox you're pushing forward. So I prefer the cutting back motion. It just feels safer. So that's why I choose Wenger. One of the reasons why I choose Wenger. It also has a bottle opener, which can be used as a flathead screwdriver. And right down here in the corner, there's a wire stripper there as well. Now it also has a little file, which is a very good hygiene tool, just for filing your nails, and this is also good for poking things. Okay, now it also has a punch. And I suppose because it's a European tool, a corkscrew would be very handy, but here in Australia we don't drink much wine, or I don't. And yeah, it's not useful at all to me. I never use it for any reason. Pretty much a useless tool. Okay, now it's also got a pair of tweezers, and a toothpick, which are very good hygiene tools, and the tweezers obviously very good for splinters and stuff like that. So that's the Evo Grip Wenger Swiss Army knife. Now just recently I've upgraded to the Ranger 90 one hand opener. I should have measured it, but it's got a much longer blade, as you can see. Very, very, very good bit of kit. A bit more tool than I need at the moment, but I guess when the opportunity arises, I'll be grabbing this for sure. Now this has also got an awl instead of a punch, like the other Swiss Army knives have. I mean, yeah. Okay, so it's got the knife, the awl, much longer saw, as you can see. And it's got that same high quality. It's got a can opener, of course. Now this is an awesome file, metal file. Now it also features a great pair of pliers, which has the wire cutters, obviously. After a little bit of oil, work perfectly. What else have I got in here? That's about it. Yeah, that's it for the Ranger 90. Oh, sorry. It also has the bits for a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead, which is also very handy to have. And I guess with this torque action, you have much more leverage to turn bolts and screws, whatever. So that's the Ranger 90. Comes with a nice pouch. Both very high quality items. Okay guys, that's the Swiss Army knives. My first review. I rate these very, very, very highly. Great products. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video.